Good morning, everybody. We're going to be working with word problems today, focusing on fractions and decimals. We're working on page 100 today. And we're going to be working with these two problems, 3 and 4. So let's dive in and start focusing on the first problem. Perfect. An apple orchard sold 140 and 5/10 kilograms of apples in the morning. So let's make a tape diagram of this apple orchard. So apple orchard. And they sold 140 and 5/10 of apples, and this is important, in the morning. Nice. And 15, so this is black ink, and then 15 and 85 kilograms more apples in the afternoon. So let's add on just a little bit more. 15 and 85, and this is in the afternoon. Okay, good. How many total kilograms of apples were sold that day? Awesome. So we are getting the question, how many were sold the whole day? And that is our question mark. The whole day. So this is going to be basic addition, working with fractions. So let's change 140 and 5/10, and let's make that 140 and 5/10 plus 15 and 85 hundredths plus 15 and 85 hundredths. All right, now what we have to do is change that tenth to hundredths, and we'll be able to solve. So I want you to finish this problem, okay? And find the total, find the sum of 145 tenths and 1585 100ths added together. So find the sum. Pause the video if you need to in order to solve. All right, so I'm going to change this tenths. I'm going to make that 100. So I got to multiply by 10. So now I have 140 and 50 hundredths plus 15 and 85 hundredths. I'm going to add these whole numbers together, and that's 140 plus 15. That's going to be 155. And then I'm going to add these numerators together in order to find the answer. It is going to be 135 hundredths. And here's fractions. It's a fraction greater than 1, so I'm going to have to take out 100 hundredths. And I'll have 35 hundredths left over. And my answer is 156 and 35 hundredths. Boom. Because when we got to add the 155 and the whole, and that makes 156. And then 35 hundredths we put right next door. So, good job. All right, this next problem I'm going to set you up, and I want you to try solving it completely on your own. So we're going to make tape diagrams. And we're going to be write, read, and draw. So let's focus on the next set of problems. All right. A team of 3 ran a relay race. It's important. So a team of three ran a relay race. The final runner's time was the fastest, measuring 29 and 2 seconds. So I'm going to put final runner. I'm going to put a tape diagram for the final runner. And his or her time is 29 and 2 tenths. 29 and 2 tenths. That's the fastest. The middle runner's time, so middle runner, was 1.89 seconds slower than the final runners. Okay, so I'm going to put that. So I'm going to put that right there. So 1.89 seconds slower. So we're going to have to subtract those two in order to find the middle runners. And then the starting runner's time. So the starting runner's time was 0.9 seconds slower than the middle runner's time. So 0.9 seconds slower. So we're going to subtract that too to find the middle runner's time. So this is actually kind of a cool little problem. So what you need to do is you need to subtract. So you have 29 and 2 tenths, and you need to subtract 1 and 89 hundredths to find the middle runner's time. Okay, and then whatever the middle runner's time is, you're going to subtract that with the starting runner's time, or 0.9, and you will find the starting runner's time. So take your time with this word problem, and I'm going to have you turn in this portion of this assignment for your exit ticket, just to see what you came up with. How did you solve this problem going forward? So happy math hunting. I will see if you can solve this problem on your own. All right, have a great day today. I'm going to collect this number 4 for your exit ticket. Have a good day.